Hi, Chris from Slick Cyber Systems. We're going to go over a few more Q&As here with Jim. Steve will be here at some point maybe. And ready?
Let it rip.
All right. First person, let's see. It's Chuck. Let's see. Chuck wrote this one a little.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck. I would like to find a partner who gets us with a mix of field and technical work we deal with. So he says that he has connectivity problems, some app glitches, and I know we've spoken this in the past, some fleet IT problems about fleet, managing fleets. So
right.
He runs an HVAC company. And he has about 16 techs that are mainly in the field. And lately, our techs setup has become more of a liability than a tool. We use tablets for dispatching and invoice, but connectivity drops often mid-job, and our tracking system is somewhat unreliable. We've had billing delays that unfortunately have cost us some money. Help.
Help.
Chuck.
Okay. When I hear that, the first thing I'm thinking is he never said whether the app was on-prem or cloud. I am boldly assuming this is cloud. Being that they're using tablets for connectivity, not that they couldn't do it local, but I'm guessing that's the case.
I'm reading between the lines.
I think the first question I would ask is, what tablets are you using, and are you using, cellular built into the tablet, or are you using cellular as a USB stick? I'm assuming it's built into the device, but assumptions can be dangerous. Cell connectivity is cell connectivity. You cannot help that. However, he didn't state whether he was in a metro area or a remote area.
No, nothing along those lines.
If you're in a remote area, then you got like we're very much in the woods here where we are, and cell is okay. But there are spots where it drops out. So depending on where you go, even in the neighborhood here, right? Mm-hmm. If it is truly metro and you're getting good signal across the board, I would say this is probably going back to the actual app itself. You may be having connectivity issues there with the actual app.
So check if from the tablet you can reach other resources.
Yeah. If you find yourself dropping but yet you can still Google browse something, then I would say you're probably have an app issue for sure.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much that's the only way I could justify that. So.
Yep. Okay.
If you find this content helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and share with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you.